Good afternoon from Cebu. I stepped out of the house this morning to a flat tire in my CRV over there. So the place I come to get tire service is here in Cebu City. This is A S Fortuna. This is one of those streets I was telling you about that is undergoing huge repair. It's one of the thoroughfares that connects with the road that goes down to the bridge. I'll try to go around here, get a better shot. You see just how bad it is. That's how bad it is. We think we're going to fix the tire, get out of here, go that way on the other side of the street and get something to eat. Because taking this road all the way down to the main drive that connects to the beach is just ridiculous, as you can see. So this is pretty much what's going on in Cebu City today. But once they fix this road, which it's more than halfway done, and once they fix it, it's going to be running pretty fast because there are no signal lights on this road from one main drag to the next up on the hill up there. And once it's fixed, it's going to move pretty good. But for now, you'd much rather be someplace else.